guys, today I'm going to cook some sausage pieces in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have some sausage from the New York Style Sausage Company here, made in California. I live in Northern California, so this brand is pretty common around here. This was $3.99 for a pound at the grocery outlet, so it's not a bad price. So all I'm going to do with this is just cut it up into bite-sized pieces like this. Kitchen scissors work pretty good for this. Almost works better than a knife. It's a little bit easier if you ask me, but you can use a knife if you want. So just cut them into like maybe 1-inch size pieces. Last time I did this to try this out, I used mild Italian sausage, but this is hot Italian sausage, so we'll see how this is. I used 3 lengths of sausage. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet, lightly oiled. Now we'll get that into the air fryer oven. I have the oven rack down at the bottom. I'm going to use the air roast setting, and it's set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll just keep an eye on them. It's been about 18 or 19 minutes. I think those are done. I'm going to shut that off right there. Let these cool off for a few minutes. They got a nice golden brown color on the outside, kind of like little sausage nuggets. Bottom's even crispier where they were touching the cast iron. Anyway, let's try one out. Might be hot in the middle, so I'm going to break it in half. Yeah, it is pretty hot. That's good, it's nice and crispy. And that sausage does have a little kick to it. Looks like Annie wants to try it. She's all excited. It's a little spicy, but I think she could have a little piece. Well, it looks like she likes it. Those are good just like that, but you can dip them in whatever you want. Mustard, barbecue sauce, whatever you like. If you come up with something, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.